Hello and welcome back to the Sunday Swings, where we are really going to do the analysis of the trading. So technically, I'm reshooting this whole entire thing, and it is so huge thing. Okay, so let's sum it up. If you're over here to check the trading analysis, just go back in the last at the end of the video where you will see the whole summary of what trades I'm going to take and where I'm going to buy, where I'm going to sell, a pure education. So this video is going to be have a four section. In the first section, we are going to just read a whole trading plan. Okay, because before we do anything about trading, we have to be in a frequency about trading, right? So second thing is going to before and after, where I have literally was up about $22,000, but then I just came back to break even, gone out or taken out to the break even. That is second section is going to be before and after. The third section is going to be pure technical analysis of what trees I'm going to take look into in the next week, and the fourth section is going to be the whole summary of what trees I'm going to take in the next week. That's it. So let's start. Man, I've created a beautiful video, yeah. Shit, I why did I delete it? Look at this. It's still in here. It's still in here. It was good. Can't be reopen its pin, but I accidentally shown the password in that video, so I'm like, yeah, I need to delete that, or I can edit that, but it will take time. I don't want to. So let's start with first section. So it's a goal to become financially free by consistently making 1% per month on $100,000 account, which is equivalent to $1,000, which is equals to 84,900 approximately, which is what I'm right now on the stage. But just because of due to losses, this is my mistakes, I am just make one time and then we just gone down. So by following this trading plan, we can easily make 4.8% per month, which is equals to $4,800, which is equals to 3,98,400 INR. Because right now I'm speeding up because I really have like 1 hour to finish this, to literally only 1 hour. So long-term goal is going to be having 400 accounts, minimum of $300,000 per account, which is equals to $1.2 million for all funding, and making only 4.8% per month is equals to $57,000, which is equals to 47 lakhs 80,800 INR. Pretty easy. Hmm? So this is going to be a trading plan. So trade per week is equals to one trade, and risks per trade is going to be 0.20. So 0.20, which is going to be $173 per trade, because we are fucking down right now. So that is the reason. Risk reward ratio, it's going to be 1:2. So we are going to take total of 4 trades in a whole month as equals to 3 win 1 losses, and we will be in a profit pretty much. So yeah, this is like a tracking of what my current balance looks like. It probably will be same because I just taken out to the break even. Excuse me a minute. I'm actually checking in my phone. It is still loading. Loading. How is it? It's saying me to log in. Are you kidding me? Let me just refresh it again. Okay. Now I can able to see now. 92,660 667.39. Let me check it again. Yeah, I just took out the break even with a $10 in profit, and almost how rest of the money is gone for commission. So from $10 commission, after reducing the commission, it has gone up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost $4 in profit. So 92 double 667.39. Okay. So max loss is half shifted from this to this. I mean, in this account, I was up about almost $400, so which is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost our max loss could be 1,000. Yeah, I should be closing this, and I have learned the mistake what I have taken, which is maybe I will be sharing with you for free. Maybe. Why should I share my experience? And I mean break even. Mm, hit my take profit and oh, and decide. You probably won't be able to see, right? Yeah, now you can. To hold and took out to break even. Alright, so this is the week 12. Now we are going to shift for week 13, which is we are getting ready for the next week, which is 23 March to 27 March. 23 March 2026 to 27. Man, this day is going so fast. Shouldn't be like this, yeah. I should be in somewhere in the mountain, trekking, enjoying my life. What the fuck I'm doing right now? This week's target is going to be $500. So yeah, pretty much. This is last section. Notes: consistency is greater than speed. Secure plan. Six. Stick to the plan. Stay patient. Focus on execution, not emotions. One plan, one process, one goal, one. This. I was about to say one goal and one freedom, and freedom, which is equals to freedom. I shouldn't say that. No. All right. This is what the first section is going to happen. Oh, oh, you shouldn't see this. You should not see this, man. Why in the world every single time I'm showing something which is important, but it's not that important than the passwords which I've showed previous video. Let me just delete it, or else it will just get. Uh, now it's sufficient. Now it's safe. The recording is on. So section 1 is over. The next, let's go for the next section. Section 2 is going to be the before and after, where you all guys are waiting for it. All right, so previously, I'm not going to say. You are going to see what I said in previous week. Have I uploaded it? Yes, sir, I have uploaded it, but now my network is slow. I have already into my Mac, which is we'll just keep it on. If we required, then we'll play. If it is getting stream on YouTube, live trading, Sunday swings over here. If it is getting stream on YouTube, will be probably will see in or like will be probably will see on YouTube only. Oh, you saw that? If I just do like this, my mouse is getting bigger. Oh, Louis Vuitton McLaren. Haha, Louis Vuitton. Oh my. Uh, type it fast. Your videos, your videos. Damn. Rather than opening the. Wow, yeah. What a car. What a car. What a car. I'm coming, my boy. I'm coming, my man. McLaren. McLaren, you. Oh my. Okay, it's getting loaded. Until it get load, we'll just stop over here. Look at this. People are enjoying. Good day is good. Good dag. What is dag? Oh, my videos is getting recommended to me. I'm like, wow. Ooh. Let's see what they have. I mean, um, I didn't open because I'm seeing these two people's. No, no, no. I opened this to see the background. It's in Paris. Looks like. Is it Paris? Europe? How
Most
European?
Swedish people speak English very fluently.
But we learned it from.
Pause it, man. Pause it. Pause it. Like pause it. Look at the background, yeah. Look at this tower. Look at this. How? Look at the roads. Pass. That's it. That's it. What we want to do. Oh my! What the fuck is going on over here? What is this? Like crazy. My eyes just got blind by that color thing. Um, should I delete this? No. I will just pin it. Should I delete this? No, I'll pin this. Should I delete this? Absolutely fucking not. It is taking a lot more time. Man, I'm keeping the phone into the range. Still, it is problem. Okay, if this problem is still coming into picture, then I have to. Let's fuck it. Like, fuck it. Let's go and let's play the video only.
Hello and welcome back once again.
Oh, how I can forget? I have to do this.
Let me check mic check, mic mouse check. Alright boys, let's do
Let's
the
go.
trick.
Let's go at the
I'm not gonna-
last section where I speak what I'm waiting for.
What you want to look into in the section 4, that is what trades I'm going to look, what things I'm going to look into, and when
Okay, speak fast.
from cells. So I'm
Skipped a lot.
dozy and then I can able to take the trade to the downside. Pretty much
Oh wait.
to the downside. That is what I'm looking into for this for the
So hectic,
Different.
to find the things.
I'm
which
waiting
is-
for the daily candlestick closure on the area of interest.
Okay, let's go step by step. I said I want the daily candlestick closure on the area of interest on GBP USD. Check it out. The date. You wanna see the date? The date is near about like that date is going ahead. But let's go on the chart. What the fuck, the chart gone. Yeah, over here, look at this. We are on a daily time frame. GBP. Oh, GBP was. I'm like, what the fuck? Why this is not looking good? Okay, I predicted this move to the perfection. I have said we will be waiting for the daily candlestick closure on the area of interest. We does, and then what I want, man. Let's organize this. Let's just organize this pretty good. Then yeah, that's it.
And then I'm waiting for the daily doji candlestick.
Okay, then I said I need a daily doji candlestick. We got the daily doji candlestick. Exactly what I said. Okay, and then
And then I can able to take the trade to the downside.
then I said I can able to take the trade from here to the here to the downside. But I haven't took the trade, but it was the brilliant trade. We could easily take this trade, like easily. Okay, like easily. It was easy to take the sell trade, not here, over here, exact point, and stop loss could be easily right here and adding some 5-10 pips. Look at this, like, would you look at that? And the take profit is going to be this. Actually, take profit is going to be this, not that. You know why? Because this is the structure. Okay, and we could like our take profit should be this or even this, but then it reversed and it hit a stop loss. So whatever I have predicted has happened to the perfection, but at the end of the week it just reversed and it just hit the stop loss. Have I took this trade? Absolutely not, because I was waiting for the 4-hour shift of structure. 4 hours got bullish. Not my tea. So that is the reason I'm just like, nah. That is it. That is how I have avoided a profit and also avoided a loss both ways. Next, we will go for Euro JPY.
What I'm looking into for this for the next week. But on side by side, I love to do the predictions. So I have predicted all of these currencies, but I'm not going to take the trade on any of the currencies. So in Euro GPY, I will look into it that my prediction is it is going to go down. So it is going to come up. It will trace this 4 hours EMA, have the daily candlestick EMA as well, and then it is going to go to the downside.
So what I said, Euro JPY, look at this. Exactly what I said has happened to the perfection. Just give me a second. I will show you. Oh, there was the EMA as well. EMA. Oh. Yeah, I'm also working on this new indicators. Do you know to make the entries precise and more good? 50. I didn't like this color. I like this color a lot. The peacock color. So we were uh start new absolutely. We were like this. In previous week we were like this. And what I said ki I want the daily candlestick into come into this area of interest and touch this week. Then we came and we closed there. So then what I said, wait a minute.
Pretty much, this is going to create the blue, beautiful red candle
Mm-hmm.
like this. I know I'm going to lose this all of the streets until unless my
Okay. So
4 hours
so what I said, 4 hours need to come up and then shift bearish. You listen what I said.
EMA have come up. It is 4 hours EMA that my prediction is going. It is going to go down, so it is going to come up. It is 4 hours.
Exactly what I said. Look at this. So it is not letting us go down. Leave. Absolutely leave. Oh, I do have a premium, but it's an other account, so I have to log it in that maybe. So what? Like we were exactly right here. Okay, I just closed. We were exactly right here, and I said it is going to come up. It comes up, but then what I said, I need a 4 hour shift of structure. Look at this. Look at my lines. 4 hour shift of structure. 4 hours shifted bearish. And once this beautiful engulfing candle we get, 4 hours shifted bearish, really is bearish, weekly is bearish, then I decided to take this trade from here. Its stop loss was somewhere down there. From here to here. And within I'm not gonna lie, let's delete this as well. Within some minutes, not yeah, within like 1 hour, it hit to my take profit, and I'm like, oh, okay, we hit our take profit. But if I see the bigger picture, which I have said into this
EMA
video,
beautiful red candle.
I said it is going to create the whole red candle up till here. So I'm like, why not to hold this trade till here? Because it is probably going to create the red candle. So which I decided to do this, and it just comes back to the break even, and it just started going to the upside. It's just pretty weird, pretty weird. Oh my god, which is pretty weird. So that is the reason I was up at one time. I was up almost $2,000, $22,000, and then within some minutes I came back to zero. Um, have I have I predicted that it is going to come back to zero? Probably not. But have I what my reaction was when it comes back to zero from 22,000 to zero? My reaction was like, hey, it's okay because I have decided to hold it from here to here. So anything could happen. What if it is going to come back to the stop loss? Are you okay? This is what I have asked myself before I decided to hold. Then I said, hey, I'm completely okay for if it is coming back to the break even, I will be okay. And that is how I am so okay. This comes back to break even if I didn't take my stop loss and haven't keep over here, we could in a negative. And still I will be okay because this is what I have decided to do. Okay. So this is how a professional trader think. So so 100% prediction rate on Euro JPY, we could easily our actual take profit. I'm not gonna lie, our actual take profit was this. This was our actual take profit. So it comes over here. So prediction rate was in Euro JPY. Whatever I said has happened. Let's add 1 point. GBP USD, whatever I said has happened to the perfection. Let's add another point on my prediction. I was correct in my prediction. So now let's go on AUD USD. What I have predicted in AUD
Like this.
USD.
I know I'm going to lose this all of the streets. Until unless my study does not get finished, I just can't do anything. AUD USD is also going to start in a week and then it is going to create the candle to a downside, but the week is going to be bit bigger at the side. We can go for like this. Uh,
Okay, AUD USD, we were on a weekly time frame. Okay, so it's loading. All right, so oh my goodness, let's make this side. So I have said it is going to weak into this area of interest, which is so got up, and then it's going to come down. It doesn't. It haven't came down. So I haven't took this trade. Look at this. That is why I've avoided this break even stage, because how in the world we will be taking the trade over here? There is no chances. Yeah, there is no chances because of 4 hours. It's super crazy. I will never take the trade over here. Never. So this is like a this is like what I said has happened half of the time. I said it is going to come up, and then which actually comes up, but then half of the time I said it is going to come down, which haven't happened. So half thing got correct. Let's go for USD CAD. What I said on USD CAD.
Next is the USD CAD is very high probable it is going to create the candlestick like this, a blue candle to the upside or from here to here. You could easily buy this, but I'm not going to do this from here to here. Easy 1 3.
Okay, USD CAD. Would you look at that? I have said it is going to create the candlestick from here to here, which have won't happen. It have just close over here. Still, we could easily end up making 1:1, which is I will never ever pray for you. That is why I haven't took these trades, because this was a low probable trades. These are the trades we should be avoiding at all cost. But I like the prediction. I have like look at this. I have predicted that it is going to go up, which literally have gone up, and we could easily. I just add this risk reward ratio tool just to see what if we take this trade, we will be in profit or whatever it is. But it is what it is. It looks good. It looks good. But I haven't took this trade because I was just focused on Euro JPY and GBP USD. That's it. Let's go on CHF JPY. Let's see what I have predicted right there.
The next is CHF JPY. I'm pretty that it's going to go down. We could easily sell this currency right from here. Stop loss right there is going to be over here, and the take profit is going to be somewhere down there. Like this week is going to 8 fill.
Okay. Okay. Holy shit. How? What? I'm not gonna lie. We miss a lot more money than you ever think. I have predicted this that let's just delete this. Let's just delete this. Sorry for this. I have predicted that this thing is going to go down. We could easily take the sell trade when it comes on this area of interest, and we could easily keep the stop loss right here and have a take profit right here. Would you look at that? Ha! We could easily end up taking this trade, man. Wow. But I haven't took this trade because the chances of winning was less. So I was like, no. I was looking at it, but I haven't took this trade. This is what a professional trader do. Just take the highest probable trade. Look at this engulfing candle. I'm working on it. like how we can catch this small trades as well. The stop loss will be pretty much this, man. It is what it is. So only one currency haven't done the things which I wanted. Rest all of the currencies have done the things. Euro GPY, whatever I said has happened to the perfection. Just came down, have hit my take profit, then gone up. GBP USD came down, hit my take profit, gone up. It's a second prediction rate. AUD USD on other hand, halfly done what I have predicted. So we can add like this 2.5. USD CAD have halfly done what I have predicted, halfly done, because I've said it is going to go up till here. It gone up, but it just stopped in middle. So we will be adding this half into previous half, so that's a 1. And CHF I was exactly correct on this, so we'll adding this too. So 1 2 3 4 5 trades I have predicted, and near about all the trades done the things which is exactly what I wanted. But let's not consider the 100% win rate, because AUD USD and USD CAD haven't done have done the half of the thing which I have predicted. So we'll give the win rate for this week 90%. Would you imagine I'm having the 90% win rate? I'm predicting the $1 trillion market. I mean, I know exactly what is going to happen in a couple of days. Where is it going to go up or is it going to go down? Literally. Now how I can wipe my mouth? I just don't have anything right now in front of me. I will use mine. It's a water, man. It's not a bad thing. Alright, boss. This is what it is. Like 90. Let's not do 90. Yeah, let's talk about 90. 90% win rate. That means 90% of time, if I said this market is going to go up, 90% of time the market is going up. That is what I have studied about in the market. So now we have successfully finished this section 2 of this video. Let's start with section 3, which is the pure analysis of what trades we are going to take. We just have like 40 minutes in our hand, so let's re shortlist all. So these are the all currencies which we are going to look into to take the trade. Let me be scared. Come on, it's okay. Okay, I'm sorry for this. I just, oh my goodness, this was a like this, damn, this was also a beautiful trade, yaar. I have predicted this as well. You wanna see? No. You wanna see? Just let's go. GBP CAD. So we will be refreshing and we're going to go all in all of the currencies. Section 4. I mean, go for. Okay, so in GBP CAD, I will. I'm not. I don't know, man. I should not take this trade because it's super low. And also, we have approach to this zone. Whether we are above, and also we created a dozy, not interested at all. But can we take the counter trend trade? Absolutely not. So I say it has came on the zone where it is going to go up, because that's why I was looking for counter trend trade. Man, this is awesome. Let me just shift my camera from here to here. Yeah. Yeah, let's change the room because I'm right now not feeling good. I mean, this is the fresh. Let's sit down. Okay. Add this. Alright, yeah, the background is not going to be good, but the information is going to be super top notch. Let's start with this. Alright, yeah, there is going to be a lot of distraction right there, but it's at least we have the natural light. So yeah, the you can see like a lot of clothes are like doing this, but I just want to be sit in the natural light. Hold on, recording is on. This is on. Mic is getting recorded. The screen is getting recorded. So let's start. Yeah, this is a lectures which I'm doing of the Alex 2024 bootcamp, just to have the practice. Like I wanted to get good in this by getting good in this. So I have put the camera right there. Let me just confirm it again. Yeah, camera put in. So let's start. Can I tell this? I like this. Let's do this. Can I tell this like this? Yeah, that will be okay. Because the screen should be like parallel to my eyes. Previously, the screen was like this, and I was looking like this. So it was jumbling a lot. So we can easily take this counter trade from here to here. We got the rejection, so now we can approach to the next level. Hold on, just hold on. Sorry, extremely sorry. Okay, we are going to come over here with the candlestick closure on this area of interest. This looks good to me. Let's make it organized. We also got like 3-4 touches down there. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. We're good. It's pretty good. We can easily take this counter trade, but the chance of winning is not that much high. But there is. Oh my goodness. It is not that probable. Just do like this, and then if you just start looking for the area of interest, this is what I can able to see. Oh, not this. Yeah, this right there is only the area of interest right now we are having in our hand. So I want to, if you just go back, yeah, we got the 3 as well. So this is this is the area of interest. What I'm waiting for, I'll just not waste the time. Checklist setup. Like what is going on, man? I'm sharing a lot more things. I'm accidentally sharing a lot more things. Daily is bullish, weekly is bearish. Probably is, so 4 hours is bullish. Probably. Yeah. Look at this. So 4 hours is bullish. So we got 20% in our hand. So what I'm actually waiting for, the daily doji. That's it. Looking to buy. Probability is medium. Risk is medium. Okay, this is a counter trade. Yeah, we could like, this is what is going to get happen. So, oh my goodness, I can see the things, like seriously. Look at this. This is creating the lower lows. I'm going like the things which I'm going to tell you is going to blow your mind, and this is what the power of information. This is a lower low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low, this is lower high, this is a lower low. So now it is creating the lower high to create the new lower low. Okay, so once it creates a new lower low, then it is going to come up. Once this comes up, then it is going to retrace. This exact pattern which is going to get formed, which is going to show the represent the candlestick on the daily as a doji candle. So what I want in a daily time frame is showing that the lower time frame are also wanting to do the exact same. Even this is how I am looking at it. So very like now it is that is why I've written over here the medium, because it's not a low probable, but it's a medium probable. So it is I'm just waiting for the daily doji candlestick to get formed. Once doji candlestick form, doji means like this, or like this, or like this. So once this candle get formed, then I'm going to buy from here to here. Easy money. Euro USD. Let's see what we got in Euro USD. Okay, I like this weeks when, oh my god, my phone is inside. That means network is not going to work. How about this? Just a second. हो ना? बसा. पाणी येतं. हो आज सुट्टी आहे.
या मग सर्व सर म्हणले तू कामावर आहेस
हो.
दरवर्षी मीच येतो नाही बस नाही बस दरवर्षी मीच येत असतो
हो दरवर्षी देतात तुम्ही.
तो लहान होता ना तेव्हापासून दिसतोय एक छोटा तो तो पहिले पाईपलाईन ला राहिला
मला आठवत तुम्ही.
आता काय करू राहिला
आता मी कंपनीमध्ये लागलोय ॲज अ क्वालिटी
चांगली काही तिकडे पडण्यापेक्षा बाहेर गावाला फिरला तू त्यामध्ये बघायला गेला तू कुठेतरी बँगलोरला कुठं
हा मला येतो. अच्छा हा ते इथे गेलो बँगलोरला गेलो.
हा बँगलोरला
बँगलोरला
तेच म्हणलं सरांचं माझ्या शहरामध्ये जायचं म्हणलं झोपलं होतात काय आता
नाही नाही मी प्रॅक्टिस चालू होती. जास्त ते असतं ना
असं भेटावं लागेल तीनदा भेटावं लागेल जर असं तर सर म्हटले असते आता जाऊच नको मला डबे द्यायचे डॉक्टरांकडे गेले आपले मंदिर पांडे सरांकडे त्याच्यानंतर ते अंशुमन म्हणून आयुर्वेदिक हॉस्पिटल ते बी आपले मित्र 2 पोलीस वाले हा म्हणजे चांगली गोष्ट होती त्यांच्यावर रात्री फोन म्हणजे सर येत होते सगळीकडे जावंच लागेल सरांची ओळख भरपूर खूप ओळख सरांचं नातच नाही करत आम्ही संघच करत असतो काही काम असले ते गरम करून घ्या माझंच पिऊन घ्या राहायचं नाही येऊ का आजी
भेटलो बघ मिळालो. एवढं लांब बघ ना, दरवर्षी देतात ते. हम्म. आजच पिऊन टाका. बघ तुला मिळून गेलं, तुला मिळून गेलं. तू पाईपलाईनला जाणार होती ना, बोलवत होती. आजच खायला लावलं. पाहतो थोड्या मस्त. Holy shit. Okay, finally my mouth got fresh. I just guest came, so yeah. Let's start. I'm not interested in this. It looks beautiful, but not this week. In the next week, I'm probably going to say to you, within coming weeks, we're gonna make a lot more money. A lot more money. You won't even believe. So I'm just what is going to happen? It's going to create the weekly doji. Weekly doji candlestick is going to get created. So in the next 23 March to 27 March, it is going to create the weekly doji, and then from 30 March, we can easily take the sell trade from here to here. The next is CAT JPY. It looks brilliant. This looks brilliant for taking the trade to the upside, but not now. Yeah, it does looks brilliant, man. It does look brilliant, but where are we? We should be factoring where are we, and we are at the topest top. Holy shit! We are at the topest top, and if we are going to take such kind of trades, it must be on a very very good structure. Now, probably this is a high, this is a, now it has created a beautiful elbow. The next week it feels like it is going to create a huge blue candle, but by matter of fact, this is not on the area of interest, a very good area of interest. It needs to be coming down. It's I will skip this because it's messy, and also right now it's so on top to buy. Not interested. And let's go for NZDJPY. So in NZDJPY, I have probably said like it is going to create a red candle, but it haven't. It created a blue candle. So such kind of trades, I never ever took the trade. That is the reason I just predict because doing prediction is free, but taking trade, I just want to take the high probable trade, which is going to make us money. So it has created a double bottom for no reason, and it is super on sideways like anything. Like look at this, like for no reason, a lot of people are going to be inside this zone for almost. This is a daily time frame. The market is going nowhere. It is super sideways, and as per my It's so on top. As per my experience, I want to predict what is going to happen in next week because it's free to predict, right? So, but I'm not going to take the trade on this currency because it's super on sideways, which is what I don't like it. So, as per the things, yeah, this thing is going to create the red candle and it is going to go to the downside. So, next week it is going to create the red candle to the downside. Even if it is created a double bottom, still it is going to create the red candle to the downside. You know why? Because the daily started coming under the EMA and also daily got bearish for no reason. So now we'll see, uh, have I got correct in the prediction of NZD JPY or not. Let's go on the next GBP or okay. So this is right there is oh I have again look at
मैत्रीण तिकडं बोलवीत होती
हो ना
खरोखर खायला या मग
हो का
तिथे सगळ्यांना वाटलं ते
हो का
तुम्ही आल्यावर तुमच्यासाठी ठेवते ना नाही आल्यावर करून दे
हा ना पण तुला भेटून गेलं लगेच
भेटलं
अरे वा. Whatever I said has halfly happened. I have said this week is going to get filled. This black line is going to get filled with this red candle, but it does get filled, but it reversed back again. Means I was correct, but halfly correct. Oh, look at this! It's beautiful. So now I'm just not interested in this. Daily is bearish now. Not interested. I mean, yeah, this looks good to me for taking the buy trade. I have deleted this. Still, why in the world it is still on the same page? Weekly is bearish. It has created a engulfing candle to the upside. Daily is bearish. No, that's messy. Oh. Oh my! We got our trade. We got our trade. Maybe. Don't get excited. Don't get excited, brother. As per the... Hold on. Where are we? We are... Oh, okay. We are at a good place. That's a 2021 area of interest. So now where I've clicked before I go down, I really like that. I feel like it is going to create a red candle because as per I can able to see, but also some kind of thing is showing me that it is going to create a blue candle top side. So now this is like I tend to avoid such kind of trades which is showing like yeah I can do this and I can do that. I just avoid such kind of trades. But if I go on the daily time frame, this looks good to me. 4 hours, bearish, bullish, and now about to get bearish. This looks daily is also bearish. Oh, and Ovanda, I want to check on the Ovanda as well. Okay, looks good to me. Forex.com. So this is going to create the red candle from here to here. This is what is going to get happen on Monday. So we're just waiting for the 4 hours candlestick closure on the area of interest, and then under the area of interest, 4 hour shift of structure, and then we can take the sell trade. But let's create this, and then it is like it is going to create the red candle to the downside. That's true. Let me check the technicals as well. Like this thing actually works, okay? Oh, it's neutral. Weekly is bullish, daily is bearish. 4 hours is mm, engulfing. Yeah, we can do is we can shortlist this as a counter train trade. Checklist setup. Weekly is bullish. Daily is bearish. 4 hours is bearish. So we got 20% in our hand. I just want the 4 hours to get bearish sell, not high. It's a mid probable. That's it. That's it. So what I'm waiting for over here, 4 hours to go bearish, means it is I need the candlestick to close below this candle. That's it. Once that done, then we'll wait for the retracement till EMA, and then we're going to take the sell trade from here to here, which the take profit is going to be the first. This is going to be our take profit, which is also going to be a take profit of the this is going to be our second take profit, but the first take profit is going to be this because we are selling on a daily structure, so need to get out to the daily structure. Also we will be having the rejection from the EMA, so will be better to get out from here
3 o'clock.
rather than here. It's 3 o'clock. So next is euro. What is euro odd? Not looking good to me. Still not looking good. Don't want to waste time. Euro GBP. Okay. Left head, right shoulder break retest. Now it is ready to go to the downside. Daily is bearish. I mean, it looks good to me, but lower time frame saying lower time frame is saying that it is going to go up. Skip. GBP USD skip because it is going to create a like doji candlestick on the weekly time frame, which is okay. I'm just don't wanna get involved. Okay, so what I predicted that is going to create a red candle, then it is like this candlestick is going to do like this, and then it is going to come up, but it haven't created anything of what I said. Let's just then that is why I haven't took this trade on this, because it just doesn't looks good to me. Again, not interested. GJ, huh? Not interested. I mean, we could keep buying this. I mean, this looks good for buying. Break retest, doji, engulfing. It looks good. Oh my god, 4 hours engulfing candle as well. But if you're buying on a top, and I really don't want you to buy on top is top. USJPY, you know what is going to happen? It is going to create the red candle over here. So pretty much daily shift, retrace. It's going to no. Oh, this can be a good counter. Yeah, this is a good counter trade, my boy. Okay, here we go. This is the good area of interest. So the daily area of interest is going to be this. This is going to be wait. 1, 2, I mean, we could do this. That is a good area of interest. I need a daily candlestick closure on that. Okay, yeah, I need a daily candlestick closure on that. Probably, what if we do this? How it will look? Nah, I need daily. So, I need the daily doji, and then I need the 4-hour shift of structure. That's it. I mean, this is super easy. But before we do, daily is bullish. Yeah, daily got bullish. 4 hours also got bullish. This looks solid, my bro. What was my bro? What? This is a beautiful counter trend trade. This is going to create the whole wick to the downside, and it is going to create the list of candle up till here. We could easily take this trade. So checklist, check Niger setup. Weekly is bearish, daily is bullish. 4 hours is bullish. So pretty much what I'm waiting for, daily candle closer on AY. So I'm waiting for buy. Probability is mid high. It's not that low, it's not that medium, it's a good. I mean, it's a great. Risk is low. So let's test GBP and ZD. Holy shit, man. Oh, this was a trade of Alex. I won't talk about this, which I really missed. So what is going to get happen? I'm just not interested right now because it doesn't look good to me. A UD USD, this thing is going to look like it is going to pump to the downside, but it haven't created that lower high to get the new lower low. So what I'm feeling, like, can like, wait a minute, like, wait. Let's just delete this unwanted stuff. Like, I just can't able to see that this thing is going to create the red candle. I mean, just can't. On a daily, yeah, it does looks like that, but on the higher time frame, it doesn't. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I believe this is going to create the doji candle, and then in the next week it is going to create the red candle. But if it just create a red candle, hold on, let me be more creative with this shit. Let's just keep over here starting. That will be the week. I mean, yeah, looks like it is going to create, like, looks like good, man. It does looks like a market structure like this. Daily is no, I mean a huge no. Sorry, not interested. USD CAD, it does create a doji, so not interested. I just can't buy this currency. CHFJPY, I mean, now I can see the two things. Okay, let's delete these things. I can see two things right here. First thing, oh, that was so quick. First thing, what I can able to see, that it is going to create the blue candle to the upside. Okay, so, oh, I do have a presets. it is going to create the blue candle to the upside, or imagine it if it is going to create the red candle to the downside. Holy shit, what just happened? Just imagine if it is going to create the red candle to the downside. It doesn't look like a market structure, right? But this thing, I mean, this thing does look like a market structure. Created a high retest, created a beautiful doji. Now we are ready to go up. Background wise, look at this. Once this candlestick, like every single thing is getting bullish right now. Holy shit! And I believe this is going to come down. Oh my goodness, there is so much background noise. I believe this is going to come down, create the higher low on the EMA, and then it is going to push to the upside. Start continuing to go up. Am I going to buy this? This looks good for me for buying, but I just don't want to buy in the things which is not looking good. Let's go on Euro NZD. Exactly what I have predicted right here. I have predicted that it is going to create the blue candle to the upside, which is does. Oh, this looks good. We came about fuck about that area of interest. But now what I feel like, as per the pattern, like we go up, we retest, we go up. Now feel like it is going to retrace and then it is going to go up. So this week it is going to create the higher low to go up. I just not interested because there is no. Oh my goodness, looks like we will be getting this trade pretty soon. AUDNZD, look at this. Daily got bearish, 4 hours got bearish. This looks so similar than the NZDJPY trade which we were going to take on the first week of January 2026. Uh, so the problem over here, we don't have the weekly engulfing candle. Like we need that confirmation to take the counter trend to the downside. Even if we got this daily shift of structure, I mean, I want that weekly doji or engulfing candle. Yeah, we got the weekly doji, we got that. Still, I mean, I still don't. I still don't like this. Okay, so what I will give 1 week for it to create this red candle to the downside, bearish, because very high chances it is going to create the red candle to the downside by creating the wick to the upside. My god, the songs. This is going to get happen. Now this wick is going to create the lower high on the daily, and then it is going to come to the downside. So am I interested to take this trade? I mean, we can but we can't. We can but we can't. To take this trade, I need the weekly doji and engulfing candle. You wanna see? Wait, let's just check my trading checklist. Holy shit. Okay, it is still loading. Oh my goodness. Notion is getting open where I have my checklist for counter trade. If I didn't got that, oh no, not this. Trading checklist, which is counter trade, and we're looking for sell So, I mean, this is so simple, isn't it? I'm not going to do this for. I don't want to sell this. Yeah, we need a doji and we need the engulfing candle. We got the doji, but to create the engulfing candle will be. I'm sorry, boys. I'm sorry for this. We need to create the raid candle to the downside. So it will be not be engulfing candle, isn't it? So can we take this counter trend trade? Okay. Daily shifted bearish. Let me just think about that currency. What we were looking into. Daily doji or daily engulfing. We got that daily engulfing candle on the weekly. I probably guess. So is that the thing? Yeah, CHFJPY. Yeah, that is. This is what the currency I was talking about in the January one. About the January one. So I probably guess so if we will be not be able to create the engulfing candle because it is already a red candle. If this was a blue candle, then that will be able to create a red candle doji engulfing. So probably this looks good to me. So this is the area of interest. We can talk about this time and time after again. Oh, this shouldn't be happen. This shouldn't be happen. Oh. Holy. I was like, fuck. I have presetted this. Now we need to create the weekly doji, right? It will be weekly week. Like this. I don't know, man. Should I take this sell trade? Let's just see in the previous data. Yeah, whenever we're above, we're buying. Whenever we are under, we're selling. Let's just see the technicals. I mean, I just wanted to be sure. Oh, it's buy. Skip. I mean, I don't know. What do we can do this? This looks solid, man. This looks solid. Yeah, this right there is super solid. But the only thing is we don't have the weekly doji engulfing. Same way like weekly red candle and then it just comes down. Finally shifted bearish. Yeah, like what we should be doing. Okay, I'm taking time to think, which means I need to skip this trade. This is beautiful doji. Daily shifted bearish 4 hours. You know what? I don't know, yaar. AUDNZD. And this looks solid, man. But we just have that red candle. Don't have the rejection. I mean, we rejected. We also create a rejection candle. Daily shifted bearish after so long time. CHFJPY does daily was with the week EMA. I think so. I will wait for daily to create the lower high to create the new lower low. If that is going to get happen, that will be lower high on the 4 hours. I I mean, this is crazy. This thing right there is bit crazy. Ah, fuck it. Just fuck it. Or maybe we can be. Um, I want a clean trade, yaar. The clean, like other like this odd cat have the weekly engulfing. Where it is? Weekly engulfing. We have that. What was the USD card? No. CHF? No. Euro NZD? No. AUD NZD. Some AUD NZD. This is AUD card. NZD AUD NZD AUD. Okay, we don't have any correlation pair. Alright, fuck it. Fuck it. I mean, it's messing up with me, and this is not even good. I'm skipping this. NZUSD. I said it is going to create a red candle by wicking into that area of interest. It wicks, but it haven't created the red candle because it is now going to create the weekly fuck around candle. What is fuck around candle? You will never ever know. But it's going to create a candlestick like this, and then in the next to next week, then we are going to push it downside. Voila. I'm still concerned about this AUD and ZD. Okay, so let's see. As per the data, when my first view of market, when it says it is good, and then I realize no, it's not good, and still I took the trade. Always I tend to do loss. So I'm literally feeling alright. This it's a good, but when I'm like it's not good, but when I'm going to lower time frame, it feels good. But then on somewhere on some page, I feel like it is not having that much kind of rejection to continue to downside. So if I just keep like as per the data, if I just take such kind of trade, I will tend to do loss. So I'm okay. I will just skip this. But it looks good, man. It looks brilliant. But still I will not take this trade. Skip it. What are we waiting for in a GBP CAD? Daily doji. I'm waiting for the daily, like this is a counter trend trade, man. We got the engulfing. We got every single thing we want, what we want, right? My legs is fucking. So GBP CAD. Oh, would you look at that? We got all CAD pairs, which means our prediction exactly. I mean, our prediction of the currencies is very, very, very high. So now we need to figure out which one is the most high probable, so that we can take that one single trade. So I love this GBP CAD. I love this. What about AUD CAD? So now you see, in GBP CAD we are waiting for buying, and AUD CAD we're looking for selling. We are right, which means something and somewhere in our prediction is wrong. And in Euro CAD we are waiting for buying. So in both of the CAD we're waiting for buying, and in only one single CAD currency, which is AUD CAD, we're waiting for selling, which means a majority wins that we are looking for buying only. AUD CAD is not good. I mean, we're just skipping, like we are just taking what the market is saying to us. So now, as per the data, okay, now I just wanted to tell you, as per the data, whenever I choose the most high probable trades in my list, and if I see the technicals by pulling this up, and if I see the technicals, it is always, not always, it is most of the time, it is a strong buy or strong sell, or if either it's a buy or it's a normal sell. It's never neutral. So now we'll see. But before we do that, I'm going to select my high probable setup, which is what high probable trade. So GBP CAD and the Euro CAD is what is in my plate. So if we see GBP CAD and the Euro CAD, now we have to decide what currency we're going to choose in between this. So in this, what we're waiting for the daily candlestick closure, which is going to be Monday candle closure, Tuesday open. Tuesday we're going to take the trade. In this currency we're waiting for the same. Okay. Now the next is the EMA. Next checklist is going to be the EMA. How the EMA looks like. This is having a very far away from the EMA, where we can take profit, have the take profit of the EMA. This is getting rejected from the EMA. Yeah, this is getting rejected on the weekly. This haven't got rejected from the EMA, which looks good to me, right? It got rejected a lot from the EMA of the weekly time frame. Let's go on a daily. It gone up and it got rejected from the daily EMA. Let's go on over here. It gone up and it never touched the daily EMA. So very high chance that we're going to finish, like we're going to close this loop that we haven't touched this EMA. Okay, this is coming. EuroCAD is coming up on one by winning one more point. Now 4 hours. 4 hours is bullish. How it looks on GBP CAD. The 4 hours is also bullish. Okay. We got the 4 hours EMA. We're waiting for the candlestick closure on this. We'll be having 4 hours EMA, but 4 hours will create some bearish structure. Over here we are already on the 4 hours EMA, and we have beautifully created the bullish structure. So now man, my eyes are also, if we are going to take the trade over here for buying, the first and the most probable reaction and rejection is going to come from this area. This is the area where it is having the EMA and the weekly structure as well. So we can just little bit take it down. That's all. Yeah. So that, what do you think about the risk reward ratio? This has the, I mean, I like this. And then GBP CAD. GBP CAD is wait. It's got a lot more rejection, man. That's all I can say. And it bit looks like a choppy, a lot more choppy. Oh, look at this. Also, the first rejection is going to come from this area of the daily time frame, because this looks solid to me. Because whenever we are above, we are buying, above we're buying, above we're buying, and right now we are under it, so we aren't about that area of interest, which means it is going to reject us. And over here, it just the first rejection is going to come from probably from here with the EMA. This looks, EuroCAD looks more good than GBP CAD for me. So now I am selecting EuroCAD as the high probable trade. So when are we going to take this trade on Tuesday, because we're waiting for a Monday candlestick closure. So now we'll see the technicals. Bam. Our prediction is exactly correct. Look at this. Technical is also saying that it is going to go down. It's not like your strong sell, but yeah, it is what it is. GBP CAD, it is also sell. Holy shit. We're not selling this. We're looking for buying this. And it is saying that it's sell. Oh. That means our prediction is not getting matched. with the technicals. This is also saying the sell, and we are a UD cat. It's in the neutral. Okay, so now we'll see. Are you going to? So now, what my prediction is going to be the for buying. GBP cat is also for buying. AUD cat is for selling. So now, whatever comes up, I will look into it. I'll probably I will not take the trade on AUD CAD because my majority of the currencies for a CAD is for buying. So I will look for buying only. And this looks more high probable than this. But backup where it is backup trade. But if for some reason it just haven't come to the area of interest and it just closes over here, then I will lose the interest. Then I will look for a GBP card because it is going to get started and it is going to create a doji on the area of interest. And if it like this is weird. Okay, this is weird. This thing right there is weird. It has to come to this area of interest. We also create the higher low, but still it is not the doji. It just came to the area of interest. There is no rejection from the area of interest. If you got a doji right here, it is purely rejecting the area of interest. So it depends on how the candlestick is getting represented on Tuesday. Both we are waiting for one day, but will our taking trade on Euro CAD versus GBP CAD is solely depend on the Tuesday. Okay, so this is what it is. Yeah, summary. So hey there, we'll start the section 4. Let's see what I'm looking into taking a trade. So in EuroCAD, I'm waiting for the EuroCAD because we have beautifully created the engulfing candle on the weekly. Daily we shifted bullish, and the 4 hours is doing his business. So I'm waiting for the let's just see, this is messing up. I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure on the area of interest and then reject, like give me the week to the downside. And then once that happens, then I'm going to take the buy trade from here to here. This is going to be my take profit. This is my first like main focus, but the second backup trade is going to be the GBP CAD. In GBP CAD, I'm waiting for the daily doji candlestick on the area of interest. Once that happens, then I'm going to take the trade from here to here. And the temporary excluded currency, which is just for prediction, I'm not going to take the trade on AUD CAD because I'm going to look for buying on the AUD, like other CAD currencies. How in the world I can able to take the sell trade on the other CAD currency? So, but still, why not to predict it, because it's free for prediction. Man, I'm getting sleep effect. I'm getting a food coma right there. So we get a beautiful lower high. It is very high chances that it is going to create the new red candle. Okay. This is bearish. So in a daily time frame, it has also given me the engulfing candle, which is beautiful. So now what I'm waiting for the 4 hours shift of structure to the downside, so that we can take the trade from here to here. Oh my god, my eyes are not just opening, man. So this is what it is. Signing off. This is what the prediction for the next week. Signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead. Have a profitable losing week. I want you to lose because that is how you learn more experience from me. Signing off. Have a wonderful day. Peace.